might get rid of the glare.
Yum, yum. I always have to sit. Sure, I have to sit here. I'll just sit next to you.
Here, scoot over. Let her sit.
I just want to sit here.
Okay, she can sit with you. Come on.
I want to sit with you.
Here, have her sit over there.
I just don't want her to be eating the cake.
She's not going to eat the cake. Anyway, you ate her cake.
Wait, not here. Hey, don't eat it yet, okay? I'm not going to eat it. Hey, look it up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles.
Okay, watch out. Daddy's got to light them.
Sabrina, watch out. File for your candles.
Are you going to take still pictures or video?
I'm taking video right now.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
I'll say happy birthday.
Okay, say happy birthday to... You ready? We're all going to sing happy birthday to Johnny.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Johnny. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Good job, buddy.
Okay, smile. Look at me.
He didn't lick me on the foot.
Johnny,
Aww.
how old are you today?
6.
All right, what's today's date?
My birthday.
Yeah, what day is it?
Monday.
Monday, March
March
30.
3rd.
Okay.
Smile.
You, he was born on a Monday, wasn't he? It was a Monday.
Yeah, it was a Monday. I don't know why it's flashing.
All right.
Birthday.
So twice now I've had Monday off because of you. Thank you. All right.
Let's take the candles out.
Okay.
All right.
Wait.
Say bye-bye.